king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin. On this video today, I am going to be touching base on how to care for your locks once your hair has been installed. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're checking out. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that when you wash your hair, you're using a clarifying shampoo. You do get a lock kit. Okay, so this is the Sisterlock lock kit, and inside the kit you get a shampoo. Dang, Sisterlock invested some more money because this thing is tight. They got a new label. We got a new label because this thing is really tight. Okay, so this is the kit. In the kit, you have your shampoo, which is a clarifying shampoo that helps like with any buildup or residue, and it does help your hair to lock quicker. You have your rubber band to braid and band.
Don't you might need more?
Yeah, you're gonna need more. You to braid and band.
And what you mean by braid and band, I'm just gonna plait some together and put those rubber bands on it?
There's two things you can do. You can either do the 2-strand with your hair. I would say braid it. So you're just gonna take it and you're gonna braid it all the way down. You can braid it as tight as you can, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do it loose. So you want to braid down all the way to the end, and then once you get to the end of the hair, all you're gonna do is rubber band. So you're gonna take the hair, fold it under, and then you can rubber band.
Okay.
Rubber band. So this helps to protect your ends, so that way the hair won't unravel while it's wet. So once your hair is done, about maybe 80% dry, it doesn't have to be all the way dry. You just want to take it.
Oh, I'm only banding it when I get ready to wash it.
When you're washing.
Okay.
So once you're done with the wash and your hair is 80% dry, you want to take the braid or whatever out, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go through the locks, and you want to separate. You want to separate and make sure nothing is sticking together, like my hair right now.
I hear that thing.
Yeah, because I haven't been retightening my hair.
So do you pull them apart?
Yeah, you just
after they dry, not before you band.
Yeah, after you're done with your wash, you can separate. You just want to separate your lock and just go through them. Okay. So once you separate your locks, you can let it air dry. You want to make sure you're not putting anything in your hair, like we talked about. No conditioner and all that stuff. But you can use the leave-in conditioner because if you look, it's more water-based. It's not as creamy and stuff like that. So that won't cause your hair to unravel.
Any leave-in or a certain leave-in?
Just, you got to see how the leave-in. If you have a leave-in and you see it's really creamy, I would suggest not to use it because it's going to leave like buildup and residue in your hair.
No, I have like a Carol's daughter, but it's like a spritz.
Oh, it's a spritz? Yeah.
That would work.
You should be able to use it. Yeah, that's fine. What else? If you're going to do any exercise.
Does it have oil in it?
I don't believe so, but I'll double check. I don't think so. It's like a spritzer.
Okay. Well, just read the
It's definitely
ingredients
not
in the back.
creamy.
If you're gonna do any activity that's gonna cause you to sweat or anything like that, you want to make sure, we talked about this, like doing a protective style, even if you braid your hair back or something like that, just so that you can hold your lock into place. So 2 weeks after your install, you can go ahead and wash your hair.
Okay.
But the only thing is, you just have to do the braiding and banding.
Mm-hmm.
Use a microfiber towel when you're drying your hair. That way, it won't leave any lint and stuff like that in your hair.
Mm-hmm.
Cause once they in.
Yeah, it's hard to come out. You want to make sure that when you're in bed and you're sleeping, that you're using a satin bonnet.
Yeah, just got
A satin or a silk bonnet. You know, it helps with lint and also to keep your natural oil.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
So do I need to braid and band it before I go to bed at night, or just only when I wash it?
Only when you're washing.
I mean, if you sweat at night, just braid your hair going back.
Yeah.
I got enough hair to braid going back.
And I think I
So wash it after 2 weeks and come
Wash-
see you at after
4
4
weeks.
weeks.
4 weeks, your follow-up. With your follow-up, I'll retighten your hair, and if there's anything that slipped out, I'll be able to catch any slippage.
Okay. Can I make that appointment now?
Sure, absolutely. And Kidma, am I missing anything?
No, I think you cover them.
Okay, in
And
here,
a shower cap when I'm not washing my hair.
yeah. When you're bathing, you're taking a shower,
Mm-hmm.
you want to put your shower cap.
Mm-hmm.
Because sometimes the heat and stuff like that is going to cause the hair to get loose and start unraveling. And then you have your little instruction, your little tips and stuff like that in here. And also a little paperwork where it says who installed your locks and stuff like that. And they send you a little birth certificate for your hair.
Oh, that's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well it sounds simple enough.
Yeah,
So after I wash it, when it gets so dry, I can take the braiding bands out, but I need to make sure that the locks are separated.
Separate. I can send you like a video because I have a YouTube video on that as well. I'll send you a video on everything we talked about here.
Anything I need to do daily. I'm not hearing anything daily.
Daily,
Just other than, some conditioner.
well, daily, like if you have a mist spray bottle, you want to just spray that in your hair in the morning.
Spray what in my hair?
Water. It makes your hair more pliable. You know how when you wake up, your hair is flat and stuff like that. So you just spray a little the mist water.
Just to keep it loose.
Yeah, to keep it loose.
I won't unravel with my fine hair.
No, it's not gonna unravel. Now, I'm not saying to drench it like you. Yeah, you don't want to drench. You just want to just spray lightly and stuff like that, and you should be
I'm
fine.
curious though, will it with all that water not make my scalp dry and have me itching?
No, that's where the leave-in conditioner come in.
Okay.
And if you itch and your hair might do itch, you can use a rosemary.
The rosemary stimulating spray.
What is
That
that?
helps your scalp from itching.
I can just imagine if it was dry, it would itch.
Yeah, just spray a little bit of the leave-in conditioner, but no oil.
So you do leave-in
No
conditioner
oil.
and water, but nothing with oil in it.
No oil. Cause if you come back, then we'll just have to do another install, baby. And
We
hey,
ain't doing all that. Ain't not doing all that.
yeah. Yeah, so that's it, my dear.
Well,
It
sounds
sounds
enough.
simple, right?
It sounds simple.
Sounds
enough.
simple.
Mhm.
Welcome to hair freedom.
I'm really trying to pursue hair freedom.
Yeah.
Really want to pursue hair freedom.
Yeah.
I look forward when it gets long enough so I can flip it around and do different styles with it too.
And let it stay just like this. That's what I'm doing. You see how I have not retightened my hair?
I see.
I'm letting it grow out.
Because when you
So I can cut it off.
You'll cut it all the way off. Like the big chop.
Big chop.
And
Well,
start
not
over.
that big of a chop. I need 1 inch, or at least 2 inches. Yeah.
Wow. Now, I couldn't imagine growing all that hair and then cutting it off. But I saw
But
Lupita.
you know
Lupita did
you know
that.
it grows really, really fast, right?
That's what I keep hearing. I hope
It
so.
grows fast. It grows fast.
We'll see. I just saw Lupita, the actress lady. She just cut hers off. That was
I
But hers was short though.
I didn't even know
She
she
didn't
had
even
locks.
She don't have a lot. She did not have a lot of hair. So Yeah.
Little water,
Yeah.
little leave-in conditioner.
Water is your best friend.
Water is my best friend.
Yep.
And if you happen to go to the beach, band your hair and dip your hair in the
Ooh,
salt
that
water.
salt water.
It helps your hair lock even faster.
Yeah, cause your hair to
But
be
I mean,
tight.
all that dirt up in there.
But you're not gonna go at the bottom of the water.
No, man, all that water.
You're not going at the bottom of the sea. The sand don't sit on the water.
We're not searching for Nemo. We just dip in it.
We just dipping and that's it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
We'll be going to the beach in a few weeks.
You know, salt help tighten.
See,
The
just
hair.
braid your hair and
Yeah.
dive in.
When I was in Miami and I was just learning about locks, because you know, like when you first learn about something, you become overzealous. Girl, I was still in water from the beach with the gallon. You know you're not supposed to. You can get arrested for that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was still in beach water. I'm confessing on YouTube. Yeah, I was still in beach water. Yeah. So, yes.
And the YouTube girl said, okay.
Okay, I'm coming for you. Yeah, I was still in the beach water. Cause I kept hearing, oh, if you wash your hair with the salt water, it tightens your hair, it helps it to lock quicker and stuff like that. But it is true though. It's true.
Cause I don't want to wash my hair in the shower.
Oh, you wash yours in the shower? Oh, so then that's perfect. Cause for me, I'll just I don't braid them now. But if I had Sisterlocks, I would probably just braid everything right then and there and get in the shower. And stuff. But I wash my hair in the shower, and if I want to braid out, while I'm in there, I plait my hair down and rubber band it. I have everything in my shower. And by the time I come out, hair is braided. Ready to go.
Okay. Well, I like simple. In maintenance.
Well, this is definitely simple. Definitely simple.
I do like simple.
It did take a lot longer than I thought it would have taken us, but I think it's because of your hair is very fine.
Very fine.
You normally, like, if the hair is thicker, it's easier to build the lock. But with fine hair, it's like you're really trying to pick up and build.
Yeah, that's why I'm glad you do the consultations beforehand, because I knew my hair was special. I knew it was special. Been special all my life.
All my life.
All my life.
Yeah, but it turned out really good. It turned out great. Give it a few months from now, and you're gonna be saying, "Oh my God, this is too much hair."
You think so?
Oh man, if I've
never had thick hair.
I've had so many clients when they're saying, "Oh my God, when is my hair gonna drop? When is it gonna grow? When is it?" Now they have hair. Oh, this is too much. Can you just cut the little bit that's off on my? I'm like, no, I'm not cutting your hair, girl. You wanted this, you got it.
Well, what about color? I keep hearing so much about now.
You can't do color.
No, I actually colored it before I came,
Yeah.
but like I said, like touch up some color and all of that. When does that occur?
You wanna wait.
Yeah, you wanna wait. The only thing you can apply is a dye, but you still have to you have to braid and band as if you're going to wash your hair. And you have to be extra careful.
Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Also, if there's anything that you felt like I should have touched on that I didn't touch on, please leave your comment down below. If your locks were just installed and you're not sure what you can or can't use on your hair, so all the products that I mentioned will be linked in the description down below. You can find them on my website. Thank you for watching. Bye.